Good morning, respected principal, honorable teachers, and my dear fellows. This is Aisha Khan, your host for today's morning assembly. Let me begin with a beautiful poem. Each morning brings a chance so new to chase our dreams and goals pursue. With hope in heart and courage bright, we step ahead toward shining light. Now, I would like to invite Muhammad Ahmad from class 7 to come forward and present the recitation from the Holy Quran. Thank you, Muhammad Ahmad. May Allah guide us all. Now, I would like to invite Aisha Ali from class 6 to present Hamd in praise of Almighty Allah. Thank you for the beautiful Hamd. Now I invite Ali Raza from class 8 to come on stage and present Naat in honor of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Jazakallah for the soulful Naat. Now I would like to invite Fatma Noor from class 5th to present Allama Iqbal's beautiful dua, Lab pe aati hai dua banke tamanna meri. Thank you, Fatma Noor. Now I invite Hassan Khan from class 9 to share the message of the day. Thank you for the inspiring message. At the end, I would like to stand attentively for national anthem. Thank you everyone for your cooperation and attention. Have a nice day ahead.